so hot right now. But now we're just waiting for the bus 207, and then it'll take like roughly like around 20 minutes, like 11 stops to get to the place, and then a little walk, and then we'll reach our final destination. Not like the movie. Not like the movie. So much quiet inside the bus. I can't hear. Oh, it's giving. But yeah, we're in the bus now.
I've never had it with seaweed before. This is a lot though.
It's nice. Describe the flavor. What is that?
Creamy. Fine. Yeah, up to you.
I'll just try it.
It's creamy. Exactly, that's what I said.
I don't know. Like, I don't remember now. So I got the premium custard. Yeah, the one at the very end. This one. Yeah, I got that one. It's so cool when they make it. Mark got the smooth like bean paste and the butter.
Bumblefuck. It's got a whole stick of butter.
Oh, it's dripping, bro.
Bumblefuck. Mmm. Yeah, because I like red bean paste.
Nice.
Bumble, what else can I? Oh my god, this is jizzing in butter.
It's nice though.
Yeah.
The custard, premium custard. That's nice. Oishi desu. Really good.
You just have butter?
It's custard. It's very sweet. I like it. Custard's really
So he's having some takoyaki with some spring onions. This is very adventurous for Jamal, I would
Yeah,
say.
because I'm not a street food guy. I'm a street man. I'm street smart. Not a really street food. It's really hot.
Yeah, it's like super hot. You understand I wasn't overreacting, innit? How was the taste?
It's actually good. Very good. First time as well. Well, I tried takoyaki before, but this specific one. Which one is it?
This is just
Spring
basic
onion.
spring onion. Pretty good,
Yeah,
right?
really nice. Really nice. Nice, I can't lie, these are so cute. These are cookies. Cookies. Shiba things, isn't it? Yeah, I'm like, God, they're so cute, man. No, man. My money is actually gone.
Jamal is eating something.
It's actually not bad.
Really?
It's just the texture of it. weird, but the sauce
The
helps.
whole of it.
The sauce helps. The sauce
The whole of it.
Yeah, it'll get stuck in your mouth. Wait a second. Oh. This is weird. The sauce helps it.
The sauce helps it. Did the sauce help it?
Oh, it's called Torii.
Okay, now imagine them without the sauce.
Hold on.
Yeah. Just have nothing.
A few moments later.
I'm still chewing it.
Some steak.
Yeah, man. That looks really nice.
It's like £4.
You want to try it? What do you mean?
scared.
Eat it. Just
Take
pick up. You pick up.
Take it with your hand.
Just pick up. You pick up.
Yeah.
Or just waste a good amount of honey. What the hell is it?
Yeah, man. Rest in peace, bees.
Nice, man.
Is it good though? It's banging. So I got yakitori chicken, but on top of it is caviar. I never tried caviar on the grilled chicken, so I'm gonna try it for the first time. Oh, you see that's really, really good. Finished it. So good.
Give it to me when you're ready.
Are you sure? Because I'm going to finish it.
I saw any soda gives you the hiccups now.
Yeah.
Especially Fanta
It
Grape.
needs alcohol.
This is a coffee beer. Coffee beer? Coffee bear. This is ice.
Let's go.
So bitter. Yeah. Oh my. I'm joking, it's not real. Yes. mosquito bites again. So guys, we are right here. I don't know if we're able to go all the way up there. Oh, round two. Round two. I like this Japanese hike. Oh yeah, this is fun. Bon, Josh! Yeah, it's a shrine.
Yeah, I can't like, what you think?
You made it to a shrine. So what's inside? Wow. Yeah, it's going around. I think we should go head back.
I'm gonna go. That'll be fun. There's an extra bamboo. I think the path goes down there maybe.
No, it can't be. No, Josh, if we get lost, I'm blaming on you, man. I can't lie.
How can you move me?
Oh, man, I shouldn't have followed you.
It's a little adventure. We're walking. Look, the path goes down there.
What's that short? But, bro, that gate, bro, that gate's closed.
Is it? You're lying. Maybe we should walk.
Why is there numbers in there? Look, there's a 0.
Huh?
Look, there's a 0. Oh yeah, there's a 0 here.
Huh?
On each bamboo branch. We're gonna, fucking Slenderman's gonna come out of nowhere, man. I can't lie. We can't be. I don't wanna die here, man.
Nah, man.
But what happens if?
I think it was things that were happening in the morning. That's why.
Oh, what happens if the ring comes? Like the.
Rain comes. They said it was gonna rain like things.
No, the ring, the girl, the ring girl.
The ring girl, bro.
What happens if she comes
It's
up?
not real.
What happens if she comes out of that well?
Oh well.
I don't know, but there must be a well somewhere. There must be a well. I'm telling you, there must be something that's haunted. We're walking. We're still on the bottom floor, basically. Oh, man. Still at the bottom floor, so I think we're going to try to go at the top. Hey, pussy. Oh, sorry. sorry, Basman. Sorry. I think we're still at the bottom. We're still at the bottom. Yo, oh my goodness. These shrines are cool, though. That's smart, 200 thing. And they were resting as well. And I'm going to the top. To the top. The staircases. While I'm going down. Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh, you got this. I'm just hoping that no mosquitoes are biting me, man. It's not even a little bug. This is an adventure, bro. Stairs, man. I ain't dressed for this. I'm wearing so casual clothing. I should be wearing like gym clothes. What the hell? It's doable. We're gonna make it in 10 seconds. So the guy said, we need, well, if we want to go to the top, we're going to this direction we're going. It takes us 30 minutes. But we're trying to make it for 20 minutes at least. And it's really tiring, but what an adventure, what an adventure. Look at this. Look at it, just panting in the back. Stop the music in the back first. I don't know where we are right now, but we're lucky we're halfway. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna buy a drink in the vending machine. Am I outside a Torii sweat or water?
Oh, what the hell? 250.
But I'm telling you, they're trying to scam us. It's the point of... It's called business.
My hands are too sticky. Look at the coins in.
What's your game? Wait, 200 for a fucking spoon?
Bro, that's like what? Give me my change. Literally.
Is that water?
Yeah, there's water.
I might get a Torii sweat. Do I put the coins there?
Coins in first. That's what I do. And then just select it. Huh? Do you select it already?
No.
Oh my god, you got you chose the wrong bottle.
I didn't choose anything.
You clicked it, I swear.
I didn't. I wanted
The big one. Yeah, you got scammed.
I'll give it a small bottle.
What was your mini size? You're too mini size for this flipping mountain, man. You should have just got the body. No, there's a drink just for body mount.
I didn't touch any bottle.
Nah, that's funny. I actually scammed you on this hike. I got my Crystal Geyser. Part 2. Yeah. They're giving you a pity buddy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Freaking scam. Yo! This looks so beautiful. Yo! So while I was going up the stairs, two mosquitoes bit my arm, bro. Like, look. What is that? We're halfway. We're halfway. We are here.
Oh, what the hell?
Do you want to take the...
I swear, give me it. You are here. What?
That does not feel like it. I'm taking a break, man. That's right. It's a nice relaxation. Can't lie.
Feel as well.
So, right now we're halfway towards the top. But I don't mind the stairs. It's just the mosquito bites are pissing me off. Josh, that's a seat. Oh my god, we're taking a break. We're taking a break for a bit. We're taking a break. This looks crazy. It's kind of getting dark now. So the lights are on. So I'm hoping I'm going the right way. If not, then it is what it is. We'll go back and then go home. So it turns out we are going the right way. Thanks for that map that showed us. And the sign that says to the top. So we are going to the right direction. Hopefully, apparently it's a 14-minute walk. So we're gonna make it. That is long, but it's better than 30 minutes. But this is tiring. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate Thank you, brother. We're really close.
We're really close.
10 minutes to the top. Shout out to that guy. Shout out to the guy. Bless that guy. We needed that motivation.
You're still here. Shout out to you. Shout out to Josh as well.
Shut up, dirty as f. 10 minutes.
Easy balance. I think I see the light. I see the light, Josh. Josh, we're there. We see the light. We got this. Come on, Josh. Josh, you got this, man. We're just eating right there. Bro, he's right there. It's right there, Josh. Come on, Josh.
Almost there.
Take a picture of me.
I see the light. Was it all worth it? We don't know. Come. No way. No way.
We made it to the top.
There's another top.
No, you can't. Guys, we did it. We made it to the top. Now we're just going back down, which is better than going up.
This is a massive achievement, honestly.
Yeah, I can't lie. This is actually the biggest achievement, one of the biggest achievements ever.
It's not one of the things I want to do, but
Yeah, we actually made it to the top. Oh my god, thank you. Arigato, Kami. So much better going down.
imagine we could.
I don't think so. We found another shrine. Can't lie, this might be deja vu for me now. Going downstairs is really hard as well because my legs are shaking. Oh my god. Wait. My legs are actually shaking. I hate this. I'm so used to going up. Now I'm going back down. Oh my god! See what I mean? This is real creepy, I can't lie. All these crickets and look at this. Oh, they're shaking. I'm finally back to where we were before. The beautiful view. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, look at that view. I remember this machine. I remember this machine. This machine scammed me. This machine actually scammed me. What the hell? So this one looks like when it's in the dark. It's an echo. I think it might be the same. Hey, kitty. Did you do the hike as well? I bet you did, didn't it? Thank you. Oh my god, thank you. We made it back here. We literally made it all the way at the top. Well, even more than that, because that's like halfway, I think. But yeah. So we are now at a food court. Me and Josh got unagi again. We need it. We need some food.
Recovery moment.
Yeah.
What got this? Recovery meal. Recovery meal. So good?
Oh,
No?
recovery meal is like I know you're hungry, but
No.
so we're currently walking on the highway. Got a refreshment just for our appetite after that beautiful unagi meal. And now we're heading to the Airbnb just to chill. Yeah. That's Kyoto Tower. So I made it back. I'm taking a cold bath in here. So we just finished showering and resting in our Airbnb, and now we're gonna find somewhere to eat. So for some reason, Ruby's taking us to a dark alleyway. Where the hell is she taking us up there?
Station Hojiju Gucci Avandi Maya.